All right, I want you to pay close attention on this video. If Facebook is not recommending your content, or Facebook is no more recommending your video, your page or profile, it could be because of one or two problems. Okay, so on this video, I want to tell you things you need to do to make Facebook start recommending your content and your page or profile once again. So without wasting your time, let's dive in. Number one thing, before Facebook will stop recommending your content, it could be that maybe you upload content and someone somewhere is reporting that content to Facebook. Remember, when you upload a video, Facebook will bring out an option to people to give feedback on the content, the video they are watching. Okay, so when they report your content to Facebook, tell Facebook that what you upload there is not good or is deceiving, or when they report negative thing about your post, one person report, second person report, third person report, fourth person report, fifth person report, before you know what's going on, Facebook will stop recommending that piece of content. Okay, then when they get that problem from one of your content, they get it again on another content again, making it 2 video. 2 times 2, is it not 4? Good. Now you have 5 reports from one of your posts. 5 reports from one of your posts. Is it not 10 reports from one channel? That is the major something that can cause Facebook to take down recommendations which they give to your page. Another thing again that can trigger Facebook not recommending your page or profile is when you are posting unoriginal content, like when you are doing copy and repost. That is, you copy people's content and you repost it on your own site. That is also another thing that can cause your page not being recommended. Like Facebook will not be recommending that content. Then another thing again that can equally make Facebook to stop recommending your content is this, and then you'll be shocked to know that when you have violation, or when you open your page, you don't even want to check to see if you have any message or any content claimed by the original owners from your page. You just open your page, you just post, you move out without checking your recommendations, without checking your page status, which is the health of your page, without checking if you have any message on your support inbox. Okay, so if you are not checking all those places, and maybe probably Facebook have detected a lot of things that is not good, and they dropped the message to you telling you to remove those things, and you refuse to remove them, the next thing that will happen after some time is that Facebook will just take down the recommendations. Like, they will stop recommending your page and profile to people. But let me tell you something. There is a good news. I am about to tell you what you are going to do. If by mistake Facebook have taken down your recommendation, like Facebook have stopped recommending your content to people, here are things you need to do to make Facebook start recommending that your page or profile once again. So the number one thing you need to do is to cool down and relax yourself. For the next 2 days, do not upload anything. For the first 74 hours, 74 hours, am I right? 2 days, do not upload anything at all on your page or on your profile that is not recommendable, that Facebook have marked that is no more recommendable. Do not upload anything. Then after that, head over to your page, delete all the videos you have there that is not yours, probably the videos you reacted on. I myself have deleted a video that I even get 5 million views. I have deleted a video I have 2.something million views, 3 million views, 1.something million views. Okay, so delete a video that is not yours on your page or on your profile. Then after that, after deleting the video, you have to make sure that your page is in a good order. Check your page recommendations. We have already seen that it's no more recommendable. Screenshot it. Okay, then check your page status or your profile status. Screenshot it. Okay, confirm that no message, no report from Facebook is there. Do you understand me? Then head over to your page menu, the main page itself. Shake your phone so that report will come out. Click on that report and write to Facebook. Tell Facebook that you are very sorry, that you don't even know when you offend them, that's result to that your page or profile not being recommended, that they should please pardon and forgive you, that you will not do something like that again. Yours faithfully, you write down your page or profile name there. Do you understand? Then after that, just submit it to Facebook and it is done. Okay, then you have to stop posting negative things on your page there. You have to sit down and rethink on the kind of content you are going to be uploading on your page or profile. Okay, then after 2 weeks, just go back and check. It is done. Your page will start being recommended. Okay, if your own is not out in 2 weeks time, just give it 30 days, it will be out. So highest is 30 days, it will be out. So whenever Facebook tell you that your page is no more recommendable, we are no more recommending your content or your profile to others, don't panic, don't worry. Okay, just do this and I tell you now, and the problem will be over, and Facebook will start recommending your profile or your page to other people. This is coming from us. If you like this video, why won't you click the like button and then share so that other people will benefit from this? And then if you never follow us, I think this is the time for you to click on that follow button. Or if you're watching us on YouTube, why won't you click on the subscribe button so that you'll be part of our community? Thank you. See you on my next video.